All right, so Andy, 2021.
Yes.
Goals.
Yeah.
Man, what kind of goals does Andy McFarland have for 2021?
So over the years, goals have been a huge part of my life.
Yeah.
Brian Tracy wrote a book called Goals, which is awesome. I'll review that at different times, right?
Yeah.
So I've had like more or less, like sometimes I'll go and just go tons of crazy goals, like 5 in every category and stuff. And one year actually I wrote my goals every day, like every single goal I wrote every single day on like on a yellow pad. And that was cool for that year. I don't do that anymore, but my relationship with goals is I kind of like ponder about them for the last few months of the year.
Yeah.
Different categories in my life, because I'm not just a business goal guy, right? I'm
Right.
about like different stuff and family and spiritual and growth
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff. But some of the things that I'm thinking about for next year might surprise you, right?
Yeah.
Like, I bought this land in my backyard. I bought 3 acres in my backyard a couple of years ago. So I want to go out there and just like build a barn and a garden and some fence in some areas and just like
Nice.
and grade it out. And also because it's stuff that people might be like, well, that's weird. Like for me, it's going to be growth and learning. Like I don't know how to do a lot of that stuff.
Yeah.
But I want to go and do that stuff so I can learn how to do it. Like there's something about being out there and like getting your hands dirty and like doing something and producing something and building something.
Right.
So I want to be a part of that. So for me, that's probably going to be part of my next year's goals. So just like a lifestyle and growth perspective.
Yeah.
Business-wise, people are like, what is the business goals? We're probably going to do a lot of what we've done before.
Okay.
I'm not going to put a number. We're going to do 200 houses at such and such a profit.
Yeah.
I'm not necessarily do that. But we're going to keep rolling forward and doing the best we can. From the business perspective and all the different businesses I'm a part of, but that's not as much my focus anymore.
Okay.
I'm not saying I'm not focused on it. We're still moving forward and doing that, but
Yeah.
I'm more focused on like who am I becoming as a person?
Yeah.
Like what am I doing every day to try to be a better person, to try to be more loving to those around me, to try to be kind to those around me, right? Who am I
Yes.
becoming? Because at the end of the day, the money comes and goes, and but the impact that people have on you, and the impact you have on people, the love and the kindness you share, that matters. And it seems like the world today is a lot more like maybe it's just been 2020 and like the election years, and there's all that stuff that's going on. It's like been really divisive, right? It seems
Right.
like everybody's like, I don't know, like there's just a lot of like contention in the world.
Yeah.
Like how am I participating in de-escalating that contention?
Right.
So I want to look at that and say, I hope that I can be a better person every day.
Yeah.
And look at other people as, the same or better than me, so that I can share that love, right? So.
Right.
So a lot of my personal goals will revolve around that. What am I reading? What am
Yeah.
I doing? What are my processes in the morning to set my mind right, so that
Yeah.
I can increase that love and kindness and charity to those around me, right?
Right.
That might seem hokey, but that produces peace and enjoyment in my life. Beyond anything else that I could get if somebody said, well, I want to go make another $10 million next year. Like, why?
Why? Yeah.
Why? What's that going to do to you, right? It's not
Exactly.
going to give you any contentment. So,
Right.
So I try to focus on some of those things. So I'll have goals surrounding that.
Got it.
How can I quantify that, right? How can
Right.
I be more of that? So.
Very cool. Very cool. So, you're always in great shape. Do you have any health goals?
So I used to have some. So what I do health-wise is I'll do like 50 push-ups a day.
Oh, nice.
Or I'll do like pull-ups.
Okay.
That's it. Like I used to do more of a regimen than that, right? And I've run marathons and half marathons and done stuff like that. But
Yeah.
really, what it is now, and I try not to like eat crazy stuff. Right?
Yeah.
But I'll have a donut. Right?
Yeah.
I just don't overeat stuff. But really, that's what it is. Like I've realized that if it's too complicated, I'm not going to do it. So if you're not doing anything right now and you're listening to this, I challenge you to do 50 push-ups. And if you can't do 50 push-ups,
Yeah.
just do 5 push-ups or 10 push-ups, and then rest, and then do 5 or 10 more, right? Just do 50 push-ups a day.
Yeah.
50 push-ups a day, that'll keep you in decent shape.
I-
And pull-ups, that's a tough one too. I mean, man,
Yes.
get somewhere and do some pull-ups.
Yes. This was quite some time ago. This was probably 4 or 5 years ago, but, and I'm not as physically fit anymore, but 4 or 5 years ago, I would do twice a week, 300 push-ups, but I got to the point where I was doing 3 sets of 100.
Wow.
So I'd do 100 and then rest 100 and then rest 100. And it was great because
That's
my
legit.
workout was done in 10 minutes.
That's legit.
Yeah.
That's the thing. It's fast because a lot of times people say, oh, I'm going to go to the gym and do this stuff, and January's coming, so everybody's going to go to the gym and do
Yeah.
this thing. But it doesn't last past like 30 days or 60 days because you just can't sustain that. But if it's something where like it takes 5 minutes to
Yes.
do 50 push-ups or
Yes.
10 minutes, it depends on how long you're resting for, right?
Yep.
But it takes 5 minutes. You can do that, right?
Yeah.
So somebody
Yeah.
listening right now, do that.
Yes.
Just say, I'm going to do 50 push-ups a day.
Yep.
You can do
and
that.
it's fast.
It's fast. And you
Yeah,
can do
and
it.
if you did 5 sets of 10, it's still like 8 minutes.
Don't need a gym membership.
Yeah,
You
exactly.
don't need anything. No special equipment. Just do 50
so
push-ups.
true. And it's actually the most, I don't know what you'd say, the biggest my chest has ever been? Is that how you'd say it? Is that how you'd explain your chest being big? The biggest my chest ever been?
I guess so.
Okay, swole. I've heard the term swole. I was like, I don't know what I'm supposed to say here.
That's weightlifting terminology.
Yeah.
Sure, you're swole.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, awesome.
Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the snap leash. The snap leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the snap leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the snap leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the snap leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the snap leash.